Good day, everyone. You're welcome to this week's Business and Investment Tips Program, a production of RCCG Christ Church Radio with Ayodeji Ebo, an investment professional. This week, the focus is on the May 2024 inflation numbers and expectation. Over the weekend, the National Bureau of Statistics (NBS) released the Consumer Price Index (CPI) report for May 2024. The Consumer Price Index (CPI) is used to calculate inflation as it measures the average change over time in the prices paid for goods and services consumed by people for day-to-day living. Inflation is computed on a yearly basis by comparing the prices of goods and services in May 2024 with May 2023 year-on-year, and monthly by comparing May 2024 with April 2024 month-on-month. The NBS tracks the prices of goods and services of 3,774 items across the states and the FCT. According to the report, consumer prices rose by 33.95% year-on-year in May 2024, the highest since the rebasing in 2009 from 33.69% year-on-year in April 2024. However, on a month-on-month basis, inflation moderated for the third consecutive month to 2.14%, lower than 2.29% recorded in April 2024. This implies that inflationary pressures are reducing. The reduction in the month-on-month inflation may be attributed to slower increases in food prices due to the ongoing planting season. Food inflation remains the major driver of inflation in Nigeria, coming in at 40.66% year-on-year for May 2024, higher than 40.53% recorded in April 2024. However, on a monthly basis, food prices rose at a slower pace of 2.28% from 2.50% in April 2024. This can be attributed to a slower increase in the average prices of palm oil, groundnut oil, yam, and Irish potatoes. In a similar trend, core inflation, which excludes food and energy items, rose by 0.20 percentage points year-on-year to 27.04% in May 2024 from 26.84% in April 2024. The increase can be linked to an increase in the prices of rents, bus and taxi journeys per drop, and accommodation services. On a month-on-month basis, core inflation came in lower at 2.01% from 2.20% in April 2024, despite the 10.3% month-on-month depreciation of the naira within the period under review. By state, Bauchi 42.30%, Kogi 39.38%, and Oyo 37.73% recorded the highest headline inflation rates year-on-year, while Borno 25.90%, Benue 27.74%, and Delta 28.67% recorded the lowest in May 2024. Looking forward, we expect a much higher month-on-month change in the inflation due to Salah festivities and the relative stability in the exchange rate. On the balance of factors, we project headline inflation of 34.01% year-on-year in June 2024. Considering this, it is important you invest in high-yielding investments that can hedge against the persistent decline in the value of the naira and turn your real rate of return positive. Therefore, it is advisable to have a diversified portfolio with a sizable portion of your investments in high-yield fixed-income naira products, federal government treasury bills, and good-rated commercial papers, and fundamentally sound Nigerian stocks with high dividend yield. Thank you for listening. Please join us same time next week for another interesting and insightful session. For questions, comments, and feedback, kindly forward to ebo.ayodeji@gmail.com or send an SMS to 070-8246-3747. Stay blessed.